The Amalfi Coast, located along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrento Peninsula, is one of the most enchanting stretches of coastline in the world. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is celebrated for its steep limestone cliffs, vibrant seaside villages, and a landscape that blends human creativity with natural wonder. The region's beauty is dramatic and unforgettable: winding cliffside roads, shimmering blue waters, terraced lemon groves, and colorful homes stacked like jewels across the mountainsides. The heart of the region is Amalfi, once a dominant maritime republic during the Middle Ages. Although smaller today, Amalfi still carries the echoes of its powerful past. Its centerpiece is the magnificent Duomo di Sant'Andrea, a cathedral with Moorish influences and a grand staircase that leads to a bustling piazza filled with cafés and artisan shops. The town's narrow alleys, historic paper mills, and charming harbor reflect its blend of culture, history, and coastal life. To the west lies Positano, perhaps the most famous town on the coast. With its cascading pastel-colored buildings, chic boutiques, and inviting beaches, Positano has long been a magnet for artists, celebrities, and dreamers. Its unique vertical layout, where visitors often climb hundreds of steps, offers stunning viewpoints at every turn. Positano's lively nightlife, stylish restaurants, and romantic scenery make it one of Italy's most photographed and beloved destinations. Further inland sits Ravello, a serene and refined hilltop town known for its gardens, sweeping terraces, and cultural heritage. Home to the historic Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbrone, Ravello has inspired artists and musicians for centuries. The views from the Terrace of Infinity are considered among the most breathtaking in all of Italy, combining sea, sky, and mountains in a single majestic panorama. Beyond the famous towns, the Amalfi Coast is rich in authentic local life. Fishing villages like Sitara, artisan centers like Vietri sul Mare, and quiet towns such as Minori and Maori offer a more traditional and peaceful atmosphere. Visitors can sail between hidden beaches, explore ancient monasteries, or hike the legendary Path of the Gods, a trail that runs high above the coastline and provides unmatched views of the sea. Food is another essential part of the experience. The region is known for fresh seafood, homemade pasta dishes, and the world-famous limoncello, crafted from the fragrant and oversized Amalfi lemons. Small family-run restaurants offer dishes rooted in centuries-old traditions, all served with views that make every meal unforgettable. The Amalfi Coast is more than a destination, it's a feeling of joy, romance, and wonder. Its combination of dramatic scenery, Mediterranean charm, and rich history ensures that every visitor leaves inspired, refreshed, and eager to return to its sunlit cliffs and sparkling blue waters.